Hi there, happy Memorial Day. In this time of coronavirus, I have been taking up a new instrument, the ukulele, and I've learned a song I wanted to share with you. And this song is appropriate for Memorial Day because it's often sung to honor lives lost and people's legacies. Amazing Grace. So feel free to sing along, and I'll try my best on my new instrument. All right. Amazing grace, how sweet the sound that saved a wretch like me. I once was lost, but now I'm found. Was blind, but now I see. 'Twas grace that taught my heart to fear, and grace my fears relieved. How precious did that grace appear, the hour I first believed. What do you think, Patches? Amazing Grace. So thank you for listening, and I hope you had a wonderful Memorial Day wherever you were, and I hope to see you soon.